What's up guys, this is Josh with Colorado Off-Road Engineering. Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 3rd gen Tacoma. I was sick of going through YouTube and looking at 20-minute videos on how to do an oil change when in reality it probably takes less than 20 minutes to do the oil change. So I'm going to try to show you guys how to do this oil change in a video less than 2 minutes long. Alright, here's what you're going to need. 14mm socket, 1/2 inch drive, 12mm socket, 3/8 inch drive breaker bar, 64mm oil filter wrench. You can get these on Amazon. OEM oil filter. I would recommend getting OEM, and this comes with all the O-rings you need. I have my impactor. Here I'm using Advanced Full Synthetic Mobile 1 0W20. Don't forget your oil pan and a filter. First things first, there are 4 12mm bolts. And then the skid plate comes off on these hooks. Now we're further under the truck. The next step is to break the drain plug using a 14mm socket. While you're letting that drain, your new oil filter should have come with a new crush washer. Put that on the bolt. I'm gonna take the drain plug, put it back in, and tighten it snug. Once your drain plug is tight, we're gonna move up here to the oil filter. We're gonna take this drain plug off with a 3/8 inch drive. Now that we removed that, your oil filter should have come with this dealio. And what you're gonna do is just shove it in here. I do recommend using 2 hands for this and shoving it in until it clicks. Once that's done draining, you're gonna take this off, grab your oil filter cap wrench, place it on there and torque it off. Go ahead and take the filter off. There's an O-ring right here around the threads you need to take off, and an O-ring underneath here that you gotta pick out. Now, taking some oil, you're gonna lube up the new O-rings that your filter came with and sticking them right back in the same spots. Should rest in this groove right here and right there. Take your new filter, place it over that, like so. I'm just gonna take a rag, wipe down this sealing surface in here, make sure there's no gunk, and insert this back in. Now we're gonna take our oil filter drain plug, stick it back in the bottom. Make sure that O-ring is there and make sure it's lubed up. Now we're gonna fill it back up with oil. I'm gonna take this cap off and put 6.1 quarts of oil in. Now that we're done filling, put the cap back on. I'm gonna check the oil level on the dipstick. Turn the truck back on for a few seconds. And check your dipstick again. Make sure that the oil is in between the 2 dots. All that's left is to reinstall the skid plate. Guys, we did it. How to change your oil in the 3rd gen Tacoma in less than 2 minutes. Thanks for sticking with me. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We're going to be doing some product releases soon. See you then. To reset the check engine oil light, you're going to turn the key on, but don't start the motor. Check that your total mileage comes up. If it does, turn the key back off. Hold the odometer reset button, turn the key again, and keep holding, and then just wait. Also, don't start the motor here. Wait till all the dots leave the screen, and it will show you 0.